Welcome to Skilled Hands. Today, we kicked off our first small business startup workshop at NBV. And what an incredible start it was. Early this morning, I arrived to ensure everything was set for the day. The atmosphere was electric, with everything meticulously prepared and awaiting the eager participants. The registration process went smoothly. Shortly after, I handed over to our dedicated Skilled Hands volunteers and headed to another significant event. Today, we were also part of the Health and Wellbeing Fair at the New Art Exchange in Nottingham. This fair was a fantastic opportunity for us to exhibit our services and showcase the beautiful products crafted through our various workshops, including dressmaking, bag making, soap making, jewelry making, and millinery. These events are all stepping stones leading to our grand red carpet event scheduled for the 28th of September 2024. This annual fundraising gala at Djanogly Theatre, Sherwood Rise, New Basford is crucial for our mission to empower Nottingham women through artisan crafts. Basic tickets are just £5 and VIP tickets are £10. We need your help to spread the word. Please share this video on your social media timelines, stories, and any platform you can think of. Use the hashtag Threads of Triumph. Interested in joining our new set of workshops starting in September? Don't wait. Contact us now via phone, WhatsApp, or through our website. We can't wait to welcome you into the Skilled Hands community. After a whirlwind of events, I returned to our base office to continue preparation for the red carpet event. Every effort counts, and your support means the world to us. Thank you for being part of this journey. Together, we are making a difference. See you at the red carpet. Take care. Bye.